Hi guys, come with me on a one-day trip from Chicago to Milwaukee. Since there were no train departures around 10 a.m. from Chicago to Milwaukee, we booked a FlixBus instead. It was cheap, about $20. After almost 2 hours, we arrived at Milwaukee Intermodal Station where both the buses and trains stop. Since we planned to walk the city, we headed straight to the nearest attraction, the Harley-Davidson Museum, just about a 20-minute walk. Here's the fun part. We didn't even plan for this. Right outside the museum, there was a Harley festival going on. Dozens of motorcycles, street food stands, live music, and hardcore Harley fans showing off their bikes. It was such a cool vibe that we spent an hour just hanging out outside, and we never even went inside the museum.
Time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave out there a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
After that, we kept walking east and stopped by Milwaukee Public Market. It was packed. Tons of food stalls, local snacks, and a loud, lively atmosphere.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now is my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave out wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
It was almost 1 p.m. and we were starving. For lunch, we found this rustic wooden shack-style place called Smoke Shack. It looked like a little saloon from the Wild West. I had their brisket and it was absolutely amazing. Super juicy, smoky, and rich. Highly recommended.
I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave out wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
lunch, we headed to the most iconic spot in Milwaukee, the Milwaukee Art Museum. The walk was about 30 minutes and totally worth it.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone.
The museum building is a work of art by itself, designed by Santiago Calatrava, shaped like a bird overlooking the lake. The wings of the building actually move. It's like a sculpture in motion. We didn't have time to go inside, but just walking around it, looking over the harbor, and watching the sailboats go by was beautiful. Right near the museum, there's also a Veterans Memorial with a statue of Abraham Lincoln, and from there you get one of the best views of the city and the lake.
The dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea. Ocean blue, I come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone.
Our train back to Chicago was at 5 p.m., so we had time to walk back through downtown.
Don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
We crossed a scenic part of the city with a Riverwalk and a glass bridge. It felt a lot like the Riverwalk in Chicago, but quieter. Before heading to the station, we made a quick stop at another small food court, just a snack to end the day. We took the 5 p.m. Amtrak train back to Chicago, again from the same station, which made things super easy. And that was it. A full one-day trip from Chicago to Milwaukee, low budget, high experience. We didn't get to visit the breweries this time. Milwaukee is famous for them, but maybe next time. Let me know in the comments if you do this kind of trip or if you've already been to Milwaukee. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep walking with me wherever we go next.